All right, what's your problem, Joe?
These mufflers I brought with me.
You have two front mufflers, you said?
Yes. Yes.
So how come you got two front mufflers and no rear muffler?
I didn't know there was a difference.
Do you have two FXRs?
There's FR right there on it. It says the same thing on the other one.
That says FR?
I think that's for front, I guess.
I don't know.
Won't go over the tube.
Where's your bracket?
Right here.
That part's the same.
This part's the same.
The diameter of the pipe is the same, so that's not the issue. So where's that one at? Where's that bracket mount?
On the muffler right here.
That has no center bracket, so it goes between the mufflers only?
No, only between the mufflers, yeah.
Okay, so that's the problem.
You get the measuring device out. This is a little bit larger than this.
Shouldn't be.
How that happens, I had no idea.
Should be 1 3/4 on both sides.
And it goes on like gravy on this front and the front one. Both of them will slide on here like nothing.
They both slide on real nice.
But neither one will go onto the rear.
You're trying to make more work.
Yeah, I'm not.
You just
Really not.
You just don't want me to leave.
Really not. 7-9, right?
1-800.
You go down between these grooves right here and get the ID on that pipe.
What, this one here?
And you gotta go down between the grooves to get the real diameter of it.
It's only 20 thou off.
Too small?
30 thou on the bottom. What about this one? This one's all spread out.
That's why I was trying to force it to fit on the rear one. But it won't go past the
carbon?
no, where the grooves stop.
You want to go past the carbon?
The carbon in there?
There's carbon everywhere. These are some high flow exhaust mufflers. Look at the high flow going through that thing.
Hey, they were worse. I knocked them out with a big bolt already.
There's a big hole through there now. There's a lot of carbon in there.
I need the ones I gave Jeremy. I really messed up getting those plastic mufflers.
Tell me one back.
I might do that.
Tell me he's going to get this set.
Yeah.
1-870. 1-870. Stick a lot of carbon in there.
Was it slightly under 3/4 then?
870 is the OD, not the ID.
Oh.
Problem is getting it all the way in. I can't tell how big it is at the very bottom. Unless I get some different calipers. Where's your other calipers at?
In that drawer over there, maybe?
Which drawer are they in there?
Top drawer on the valve grinding bench.
Top drawer on the valve grinding bench. Why don't you grab them big calipers?
I'm digging your tools. Oh, they're over there. Wrong bench. Yeah, we've been looking in the wrong place. We have some long jawed ones.
Yeah, but they're not long on this side.
Hmm.
So no, those don't work. Do something else. You have to go all the way over here and grab something else. Get there. Oh, where are they at? I want this one right here.
Yeah, okay, old school ones, huh? Old school.
Spring calipers. I'm gonna spring them on there. Damn thing in my way. Here, this is my way, Joe. You work that. What size is this thing? Bigger than this. Oh, that's the size right there. The carbon's in there though. Consistent.
And there's the ID on these two.
They're
That'll
the
make a
same.
difference probably on.
They're the same. The same as what these are?
Yeah.
760.
760. 80.
778. See the difference?
Yep. 5 thousandths. 8 thousandths.
15 or so. 20. 73. Not much. 10 thou.
It is carbon.
5 thou. 5 to 10 thou. Should go. It is a little fat, but it should go.
I spread it out. It still wouldn't go, but
It still wouldn't go, even though it was going to go.
I didn't want to get out the big hammer and hit on it.
You didn't want to get the big hammer? Let's get the big hammer.
Huh?
Get on you're in my way.
Sorry.
How am I supposed to work on you? You're in my way all the time.
Where are you going?
Don't go that way. You're in my way.
Are you going to get the grinder out? Should I move those rocker boxes? There. Oh.
There's moisture in there. And over there. Door's attacking me over there. Where'd you get over there? Where's the close?
Well, don't get too far away.
High floor. Close door. I thought I went a little deeper than that, but I didn't.
Okay. So deeper in the pipe, or just taking off more, you're saying?
I thought I went in deeper when I did. Crappy job, crappy job. Goes.
That's that door coming at you. Oil?
A little dry.
Assembly lube?
A little dry. But my oil used to be over here.
Right there. It was earlier. The black tube? Did it fall down?
What'd you do with it?
I left it sitting right there.
There it is.
Yep.
Dropped it. That's a white black container. That was more than 3 drops, was it?
Close. 3 large.
And 3 rivers.
There you go. Might be working.
Probably dying.
Is it?
Yeah.
Working good now.
Got some R's on this thing, man.
Cutting like mofo.
The oil helps in wonders. Does it muffle it up any? Not much.
It's gonna work now.
I don't think so. Just gonna go.
Oh boy, it's still. Because once Jeremy's got a lot smaller diameter.
He's got aftermarket ones on there then.
He's got them Screaming Eagles I give him, but they're way smaller.
Got slip-ons.
Yeah.
Aftermarket.
Huh?
They're aftermarket. They're slip-ons.
Yeah. Oh, the lead hammer. That thing, the brace can go down. If you care about that or not.
She's supposed to be down?
Yeah.
No more. Don't need no clamp though.
If you can't, it won't work like that.
It won't work that way.
It's hitting the swing arm.
There'll be a ding 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 noise. It hits the swing arm bolt.
It's gonna come loose, and
That's with no bracket.
if the bracket's on the bottom, it doesn't get in the way. There you go. There you go. Twist it around a bit.
You want it straight
45
down?
degrees. Yeah. Anywhere in that, anywhere down below, so it's not sticking out this way at all,
Let's get the nut down there.
will work. Oh, that means it needs to go in. Holy smoke! Still hitting the nut. Up to the old mark.
This mark?
Yeah.
Is that how far it's supposed to go? You don't have to be that far.
I mean, it won't clear the swing arm nut though, right?
Well, the
It's
swing
still
arm
in the
not
way.
gonna
It's still in the
go
way.
up.
It needs to be twisted more.
What you looking? You got a good view of my shoulder there.
I got it on the pipe. I'm looking now.
You get the camera down low, you can see. Look at here. Look down there, you can see. See,
Okay, all right.
see that nut right there?
Yes, sir.
You look at that nut. You just gotta have that nut when it goes up and down.
So hit.
We'll hit hard.
If you turn towards that at 6 o'clock though, it may clear.
You said it didn't go at 6 o'clock. It went at 45 degrees.
I thought it was at 9.
So this is
That
supposed
goes
to
up in the rear. The higher one goes in the back.
Which one's high?
That one.
This
Like
is
that.
high?
The other way, I believe. Yes, like that.
I don't fit in that. No way it's going to fit on that. What is this thing sitting for?
I was using to expand those mufflers before you got back with the grinder.
Before I modified it?
Now if we cut that tube up shorter on that one, it almost ruins the head pipe. Because they won't fit good on the bracket.
Well, it has to be equal for the bracket.
I got two sets of them at home that aren't no good.
Whatever you do, you have to do the same on the other. This one hits also though, so it doesn't work.
What's up with that one? Won't go on?
No. It's in here.
So it has to go on first?
Yep.
Or I can wait for
And
those
you
new
need
mufflers to get there.
And you need smaller diameter mufflers.
Yeah. See,
And
that's what I'm
even
saying.
then, even with a smaller diameter muffler, it's going to be a problem. But if you get this past the nut here,
Mm-hmm.
you got to get past this nut. So,
Forward of that.
right, it's got to go forward of that. And then you just got to clear this bolt here. And even that can be trimmed down or changed.
Yep.
It doesn't have to be there. It could be on the
Those
other
mufflers,
side.
those are probably like 2.5 on large diameter right
If you
there.
put a hex head on here and you trim the hex head away, you can gain 3/8 of an inch here.
Yeah.
So we can fix that problem. The nut down there is a problem, but if we can get this thing to go all the way onto here, that'll take care of that problem. These are 2.5 inch diameter. The aftermarket stuff is usually 2 inch. So that gives you a 1/4 inch right there, which will help. Now the bracket where it's been up to hit the swing arm, this has to be cut out and redone. And we have to put something between here and here and eliminate the dog leg.
I have other ones at home that maybe even of a different
I
price.
know there were some strap ones they made. There were flat straps, aftermarket versions of them. So,
I have one off the Dyna and another Sportster one.
so we can play around with that design a little bit. Basically, we're just tying the two mufflers together so the pipes aren't independently wiggling out in the air.
Right.
So they just have to be tied together. They're not being tied to the frame.
I don't know
So
why this one's so hard to go on though. You know, it should be up to here.
yeah, it's made oversized slightly, which is not helping. Now this here, you can also put a spacer underneath this bolt and move this out 1/8 of an inch, and that'll move it back there a lot.
On that, yeah.
Because right now, if you look at this muffler, it's heading in quite a bit.
Yeah.
And
How would you do that? Oh, space everything out a
I
little bit?
think this will pull over a little bit there, but see, it doesn't. It seems like it squares up going that direction.
When it clamps down, you know.
So if we put a spacer in here, move that out, that will help us on that part. We have to loosen up these bolts up here a little bit. This one here is moving in also, which is the same problem. So we'd have to see that's dictated by that bracket. Now if you take that bracket and put the spacers underneath those 3 bolt heads under here, we can move this bracket out 3/8 of an inch too by putting longer bolts in there.
Yeah. Do the same thing on the back one?
We can do the both
Same
of
thing on
them.
this one?
We can move them out. We can slide them out a little bit.
Yeah.
So we can play around with that a little bit too. And that's not cutting pipes. Now if you start cutting pipes, you can do more stuff too.
Yeah. I like that idea of just bringing them out a little bit.
So
If they'll seal up top.
yeah, I'm thinking just spin them a little bit. There is some give on the gaskets up there. Right now we pulled in pretty even, but we can undo those, bring them up, and pull hard again, and that'll squeeze them a little differently. So you do have you have a 1/4 inch of leeway where this pipe sits, and still have what you got up in here.
So what size spacer should we need behind there? 1/4 inch?
So,
I might have some aluminum at home,
we have to put something in there. I'm not sure yet what we're going to do. So for now, this one's pretty tight. So we need to put a clamp on this.
the other head pipe may work better too.
I don't know, what's that pipe from?
It's just the one that I had at the house.
Well, why don't you try that one before you beat the hell out of this one? You didn't tell me that. Did you measure that one? You got a muffler as a fit.
Where did that go? No, I don't. I mean,
Joe.
Yeah.
Pipe, muffler, do they fit?
I'm trying to get a measurement right now.
I don't want to measure.
Slam it on there?
Just put it in a hole.
176.
Does it dick put in the hole? That's all we care about. It's male female thing. Thought you understood this. We're in California, but it still works the same way. Male female, they go together.
Not much better than the other one does.
Okay, so that one does not fit either. Okay, so obviously the rear pipe is.
A little bit larger OD.
It's probably purposely made that way from Harley to not be able to do it wrong.
Obviously, and both those mufflers say FR on them.
Because they look identical. So if you make one where it does not fit on there, that's probably a good way of making it where you're not going to screw up.
I take this one off.
We got to put a clamp on it so we can start the bike up.
We gotta take it off to get the front one on, though, don't we?
We do have to do that too. Can you get that off? Oh, look at that. Fell off. Still doesn't
Why is
fit.
it so low?
The pipes don't line up.
Huh? Shouldn't be like that.
Yeah, but it is. Where's your clamp? Why is everything in the car won't tell me to clamp and bracket and bowl? Those things are heavy too. Heavy. Yeah, I got some slip-on muffler I can put on this thing. It'll probably work a lot better than these. But he's got new ones coming, so I don't have to worry about my stuff. He went and bought some Cycle Shacks. I told him to go buy some Cycle Shack stuff on eBay if you can find it. Find one set of new ones.
Don't quite have the right harbor for both of them, though.
You got some Harbor what? Harbor Freight?
I don't have the right bolt for this back. It should be this type.
What's wrong with this one?
Should have this kind of bolt in it.
What?
Has that built-in round thing.
Built-in round thing?
So-
You don't have the right thing? Where'd this come from?
My garage.
Why don't you get the other one out of your garage?
I think it's on Jeremy's bike.
Jeremy got your parts again. Jeremy should get these parts.
I agree. This one, I can't get it broke loose either.
Yeah,
I'm sure you can.
so you got no clamps, you got broad bolts, he's got bad hardware,
You got anything like that?
you got bad everything. I think we're just gonna ignore it.
Shine up with a knife?
Yeah, we're done with that.